Ever seen a broken pipe with water gushing out? The water pumps out with so much force, right? This is what happens when a dam, which was built to restrict movement of large water, is opened. The force of the gushing water can be used to move hydroelectric turbines, which in turn powers the generator and produces electricity, which is supplied to houses and industries. Wow, that's intriguing. So we have learned that a dam is a barrier that is built across a river in order to stop the water from flowing, used especially to make reservoirs, a lake for storing water, or to generate electricity. The force of the gushing water can be used to move hydroelectric turbines, which in turn powers the generator and produces electricity, which is supplied to houses and industries. Hydroelectric power generation is one of the best methods of electric power generation. This is because it is renewable and does not contaminate the environment. It is also an example of electricity produced by mechanical energy. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. I'll see you in the next one.